Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Javed. After a long time I will come again my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to now talking about 10 most useful idiom. So how to use idiom. So today I'm going to now talking about 10 most useful idiom. So today's video is a very interesting. So don't skip the video, watch the till end. Don't waste your time, let's get started without further ado. So my first idiom is under the weather. Under the weather is an informal English idiom that means someone is feeling unwell or sick. For example, sorry I can't come to work today because I am feeling under the weather today. So and my next example is I'm a little bit under the weather.
Anna is just feeling a little under the weather tonight.
Oh, how are you feeling? Kind of under the weather? Like you've got the flu?
Hi, Frank. You under the weather too?
Hope you're hungry, Claudia. I made your favorite meal.
Dr. Gribb, I'm feeling a little under the weather.
And you don't want to be under the weather when the weather's bad.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Hey, Dad. How are you feeling?
Oh, fine. I've just been a little under the weather. No.
So दोस्तों अंडर द वेदर का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हमें लगता है कि हम थोड़ा बीमार महसूस कर रहे हैं. लाइक आज मैं थोड़ा अपने आप को बीमार महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I'm a little bit under the weather. सॉरी आज मैं काम पर नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि आज मुझे बीमार सा महसूस हो रहा है. Sorry I can't come to work today because I'm feeling under the weather. Under the weather का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब अपने आप को थोड़ा सा बीमार महसूस करते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे अंडर द वेदर का मतलब क्या होता है और इसको कब यूज करते हैं. So बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट idiom की ओर. So my next idiom is break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation with someone you don't know. For example, I try to break the ice. I try to break the ice by talking to the people who next to me about the weather.
Telling what will set you off. Introducing myself as your boyfriend. Giving you the opportunity to drive me home. Breaking the ice with your colleagues using ethnic humor. It's the funniest kind of humor.
Hi.
That's all I got.
Ladies, how much does a polar bear weigh?
I don't know.
Enough to break the ice. I'm Dr. Alan Harper.
No, I'm just trying to break the ice.
So we need to break the ice.
ब्रेक द आइस का यूज गाइस हम तब करते हैं जब हम किसी से पहली बार मिलते हैं. जैसे हम कभी सफर में जाते हैं तो किसी को जानते नहीं है, जाने हम उससे बातचीत स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. उस समय हम यूज करते हैं ब्रेक द आइस. ब्रेक द आइस मींस किसी से भी पहली बार मिलते हैं हम उससे बिन जाना बातचीत स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे. ऑलराइट, so my next idiom is a break a leg. Break a leg means to wish someone luck. For example, you have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. And next example, this is your time to shine. Break a leg. So guys, break a leg का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हम किसी को शुभकामना देते हैं या गुड लक कहते हैं.
Good sign. People say, break a leg for luck.
Oh. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by, but this is kind of a talent-only area, so.
Break a leg.
Hey, you break something too.
Break a leg, sweetie.
I was some joke.
To talk about that book?
Break a leg, honey. I didn't want to say anything to you.
Hey, Jessica. Break a leg.
Good luck, everyone. Break a leg.
So guys, break a leg का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हम किसी को शुभकामना देते हैं या गुड लक कहते हैं. For example, कल तुम्हारा एग्जाम है. Good luck. You have an exam tomorrow. Good luck. So दोस्तों पहले हम यूज करते थे गुड लक. गुड लक अब हो चुका है पुराना. इसकी जगह कुछ नया यूज करो तो इसके जगह हम यूज करेंगे break a leg. Break a leg. Alright, I think you got it all guys. So this video is a very important, so watch the till end. So guys, my next idiom is cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg means बहुत ही महंगा. It's a very expensive. For example, after 5 years saving, I finally bought my dream car, but it cost an arm and a leg. I think you got it all.
This is an advanced computer system. It costs an arm and a leg.
Air conditioners cost an arm and a leg.
And it won't cost you an arm and a leg.
This campaign is costing us an arm and a leg.
Even if it costs me an arm and a leg.
It's costing me an arm and a fucking leg.
Cost and arm and a leg का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब कोई चीज हमारे लिए बहुत ही महंगी हो। जैसे कहावत है ना, आईफोन खरीदने के लिए किडनी बेचनी पड़ती है। ये एक कहावत है, ये एक बस कहावत है। कोई किडनी नहीं बेचता है आईफोन खरीदने के लिए। जैसे यह भी एक कहावत है, कॉस्ट एंड आर्म एंड लेग। कॉस्ट एंड आर्म, आर्म यानी हाथ, लेग यानी पैर। जैसे हाथ और पाँव बेचने की नौबत आ जाए, बहुत ही महंगा, इतना महंगा। कॉस्ट एंड आर्म एंड लेग मीन्स very expensive. Very expensive. I think you got it all, guys. So my next idiom is spin the beans. Spin the beans means to give away secret. To give away secret. For example, I don't have content with his other stuff to spin the beans.
What's going on? Spill the beans!
Okay, now, come on.
Spill the beans?
Spilling the beans on everyone he knows.
So come on, spill the beans. Are you actually Ladybug?
Hey, come on. You open the can, I'll spill the beans.
Boss, should spill the bean.
स्पिन द बीन्स का मतलब होता है भेद खोलना, रहस्य को प्रकट करना। जैसे हम कभी हमारे दोस्तों से लड़ाई हो जाती है तो एक दोस्त के भेद हम दूसरे दोस्त के साथ भेद खोल देते हैं, वो ऐसा था, वो ऐसा। किसी के भेद किसी और के सामने खोलना, यानी स्पिन द बीन्स मतलब भेद खोलना या रहस्य को प्रकट करना। रहस्य को हम प्रकट करते हैं तब उस समय हम यूज करते हैं स्पिन द बीन्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट हैव कंटेंट टू हिज अदर स्टाफ टू स्पिन द बीन्स। Okay. So दोस्तों, my next idiom is CI to I. CI to I means to agree completely. To agree completely. For example, I see eye to eye with you. I see eye to eye का मतलब होता है हम किसी के साथ सहमत हो। जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, I agree with you. It's a all version. You can update yourself. You need to update yourself. So you can also say I see eye to eye with you.
I'm glad we see eye to eye.
I'm glad we see eye to eye on this matter.
Look, I know we don't see eye to eye on this, but...
Hello?
Right. I know we don't see eye to eye on this.
Sometimes family doesn't see eye to eye.
I see eye to का मतलब होता है किसी के साथ completely agree होना। जैसे हम पहले कहते थे I agree with you, ये पुराना हो चुका है, अब कुछ नया यूज करो, तो इसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं see eye to eye। For example, मैं तुम्हारे साथ बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ 100%. So I see eye to eye with you. Okay guys, I think आप समझ गए होंगे। So दोस्तों, my next idiom is pull your leg. Pull your leg means to play a practical joke. To play a practical joke. For example, are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? And next, I was just pulling your leg. I was just pulling your leg.
Detective, why don't you write your name down so the reporters can spell it when I talk to them? I want to tell them about the real hero. You pulling my leg?
Romantic. We'll do Jean's party tomorrow. We'll get married the next day. Jean and Betty can be our witnesses.
Oh, this is all happening so fast. I just want to make sure that, I mean, are you pulling my leg?
Listen to me, kid.
Oh, come on, you're pulling my leg.
You're pulling my leg.
Pulling your leg means to play a practical joke. Pulling your leg का मतलब होता है मजाक करना, किसी के साथ मजाक करना। जैसे मैंने अपने दोस्त के साथ बहुत लंबी लंबी फेंकते गया, तब मेरा दोस्त मुझे कहता है, क्या फेंक रहा है? क्या मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहा है? क्या मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहा है तू? मजाक करना तो are you pulling my leg? So जैसे हम कहते थे ना, are you kidding with me? Are you kidding? क्या तू मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहा है? Sam, are you kidding हो गया पुराना, अब करते हैं नया वाला यूज। Are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? So इसको छोड़ो, Are you pulling my leg को यूज करो। ओके, सो आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे pull your leg का यूज कब और किसके साथ करते हैं। सो उम्मीद करता हूँ आप समझ गए होंगे। So guys, my next idiom is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to force yourself to do unpleasant and difficult. For example, I'll just have to bite the bullet and take his glass.
What am I gonna do?
Well, as your lawyer and your friend, my advice to you is to bite the bullet and give them your alibi now.
Okay, so I figured low-key family dinner, no official party, and we bite the bullet and buy him a car.
I guess I'll have to bite the bullet.
We should bite the bullet. Hire a campaign manager.
Go! Bite the bullet! Go on the date!
Guys, so my last idiom is a hit the sack. Hit the sack means to go to bed. To go to bed. For example, it's a time for me to hit the sack. For example, it's a time for me to hit the sack.
I think I'll just hit the sack. I think I'll just hit the sack.
Oh, well. I guess I'll hit the sack. Yeah.
Major, I think you better hit the sack.
Yes, everyone's hitting the sack.
Hit the sack means go to bed, सोने जाना. For example, जैसे मेरा टाइम हो गया, मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. It's a time for me to go to bed. No, it's wrong. So you can update yourself. I said you can update yourself. So you can say now, it's a time for me to hit the sack. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. Okay, I think you got it all. Alright. I hope you understand 10 more idioms. If you like this video, so you can share with your friends who really want to learn English. And if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel and do like this video. I think you got it all 10 useful idioms. If you use your daily life English, you can improve your English level. Okay, see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care.